So hey guys, I want to introduce you to Finn and Demo. These are my two betas and they are about to share a 10-gallon tank together. Now I've seen many people make this divider that goes inside of the tank and will separate the two fish, also allowing them to see each other. So I decided to test this out for myself. I first went and got this little mesh plastic piece, and I used scissors to trim it down and make it fit flush within the aquarium. Then I took little clips off of the poster board frames that you can buy at department stores like Walmart, and I used an Exacto knife to cut each one the length of the mesh on the bottom and the two sides. Once they were cut, it was really simple to just slide them right in and on the corners there, and then I'm going to use glue to hold them in place. Before gluing though, I tried to make sure that it would fit perfectly within the aquarium, and it did. You may need to make some minor adjustments, cut maybe a little bit more off to make sure you give enough room for the sides. But for me, it fit perfectly, so I went ahead and used a hot glue gun and glued it in place where it needed to go. Do not glue it into your tank. It is going to be a divider that will be able to slide in and be removed once you no longer want it in the tank. Once the glue is dry, you simply place it into the tank and you'll put suction cups on either side to hold it up sturdy. Now on the bottom, the substrate will do a great job on holding that divider where it needs to be, so we don't need to put any suction cups on the bottom. Once I had everything in place, had the substrate in, added the water, I realized that Demo is extremely aggressive towards Finn. And he wiggled his way in between the divider and the glass wall of the aquarium. So I had to go in and kind of recreate the side of the divider, and I simply just cut little notches out within the black sheets from the poster frame that we got, and I replaced those with the suction cups that you would normally use for airline hoses. So I had the little niche in it, and I was able to make this where he couldn't get over to the other side. Now, since this tank has been up and running, they haven't had any more issues, and they aren't as aggressive as they were when I first started, which is great, and they're kind of getting used to each other's presence. So I think they're doing well now, and I'm working on this tank still. I'll get a video out of how I designed it. It is going to be a Stranger Things themed tank, and once I make that video, I'll link it below in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you want more content like this, please let me know. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.